Want to start shopping on AliExpress, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to shop on the AliExpress app. Now let's get started. To shop on AliExpress, open the AliExpress app and log into your account. You can then browse the home page for suggested products, or go to the Shop tab to browse specific categories of items. If you tap View More, you'll find several different categories like home and garden, clothing, accessories, appliances, shoes, and much more. If you tap a category, you'll see more specific subcategories you can browse. If you know exactly what you're looking to buy, use the search bar at the top to type in something specific that you'd like to find. You can filter and sort your search results using the options at the top. When browsing items, you can see the price, how many of that item has been sold, and the average star rating from reviews. Tap a product to see more images and details about it. Swipe sideways to see additional images. Scroll down to see more details including delivery info, reviews, and other product details. We'd suggest looking at reviews and customer photos for the item you're interested in purchasing so you can see the experience other customers have had with the item. If you decide you'd like to purchase the item, tap Add to Cart at the bottom. If you need to choose a size, color, or specific variety of an item, select the one you wish to purchase, then tap Continue. If there are other items you'd like to buy, continue browsing and adding items to your cart. When you're ready to check out and make your purchase, tap the cart icon at the bottom. Review what you've added to your cart, then tap Checkout. AliExpress may suggest other items you might be interested in. You can check these out if you like, or tap Checkout to continue with making your purchase. Now you'll need to enter your shipping address and payment information. You can pay for your AliExpress purchase by credit card, or use Apple Pay or PayPal. Review all your order details to ensure the information is correct and you have the correct items from your cart. Then tap Place Order to complete the checkout process. Your order will then be confirmed. To review your previously placed orders, go to your profile and tap View All. When your order ships out, you'll receive a notification within the app as well as an email letting you know your items have shipped. If tracking information is available, you can track your order's progress on its way to you. That's all it takes to shop on AliExpress. If you haven't downloaded the AliExpress app yet, check out this tutorial to learn how to get it. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.